Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And from you see from the title, and from you see from the thumbnail, you know what it is. It's RV, Chip, and BACKROAD G. Big up on yourself, artist. Big up on yourself. They don't know say Chip there, so we have to react. Because you don't know say anything Chip drop, we have to react. Also, I want to send a special shout out to my new sponsor, Water. I joke, I'm not sponsored by Water. Water not sponsor me. But yeah, Water is here today. So you don't know. We are gonna jump straight tonight and see what is going on from what is going on. I got a lot of work to do today. So let's go, man. Let's go. Here we are. Ready? Let's go then, mate. Let's go. Hold on. I just hear M1. So that's the same producer that done the 10 Commandments for Chip, right? That song. That's the same producer. Big up M1. Big up M1. Can I look good, man?
MOONWALK, slide to the upstep, come outside. Can't wait to meet again. Say hello to my little friend.
Yeah, we like this. Me pause every 10 seconds. Me pause every 10 seconds. MOONWALK, slide, tell the upstep, come outside. Yo, don't come outside if you're not bad. Up, so don't come outside. Make a MOONWALK. I don't come outside. Don't come outside. Yo, me like this. Let's go. So who's this guy? Is this one here? RV. Let's go.
Baby girl, come talk for me then. Make the move up, bark on them. Separate the boys from men. Separate the boys from men.
Bomboclad! Baby girl look good, man. Yo, baby girl, come twerk for me then. Separate the boys from men. You see me? Some hot girl in the video. The girl them hot. Like my grandmother Dutch pot. Hot. Let's go.
I just moonwalk, slide, rain F, vibes. Niggas be thinking they tap my ex, that pussy there never was mine.
I wonder if you hear what the boss just say. What do you hear what the boss just say? MOONWALK, slide. Niggas I think say them tap my ex. Hey, that PUSSY was never mine. Just try and know that. It was never mine. I was just borrowing it. Just the same as how you are borrow it. More hear the party again. Let's go.
Rain F, vibes. Niggas be thinking they tap my ex, that pussy there never was mine.
The ex was never, brother. She's an ex for a reason. Even when we were so-called together, she was never mine anyway. You see me? It was a situationship. Because I've always been singlish. Want some water? Water! I've always been singlish, dog. So that tune was never mine. Let's go.
You never been on a glide in the back of the van like Sean Paul. Told bro, give me the light.
Just give me the light and pass the draw. Why you wanna smoke but don't know how to roll? With my
Somehow no boy we love smoke and don't know how to roll that spliff. Always ask man, yo, roll my spliff for me. Nope. You need to learn for yourself. You can't. It's like some of these smokers who never have a lighter. Yeah, you never have a lighter yet. You never have a lighter, but you want smoke. Get your own lighter, man. But these ladies in the videos are distracting me. Don't joke.
I totty ones, 2 fingers show from the other side, but she wants to roll. Yeah. Wooded them, scooded them, sexy gal want to give me her put them, hit it from the back like did them, excuse me back.
You just Chip say. Only hear Chip going on, Only hear what Chip say on,
My totty ones, 2 fingers show from the other side, but she wants to roll. Yeah. Wooded them, scooded them, sexy gal want to give me her put them, hit it from the back like did them.
Sexy girl wanna give me their put them, hit it from the back like scooted them, put them. Yo, Chip is wildin' in this one, bro. Chip is wildin', bro. Chip a wild dog. Chip, yo, big up Chip in a dog.
Yeah. Wooded them, scooded them, sexy gal want to give me her put them, hit it from the back like did them. Excuse me, backroad G and RV, something in the room just might go did them.
Oh my gosh. That part that doesn't need no explanation, dog. Chip is just taking a piss with his talent right now. The man say it from the back like Budadum. Sexy girl want to give me her Pudadum. Hit it from the back. Bumba Chip.
Would the move how we do that pop up? Scat, nobody can stop us. Hunting will let us copper. Took my terror, that spin. Girl, why you love with the man things?
This is a jail track, right? This is a jail, like a jail vibe track. It's got a vibe to it, brother. It's got a vibe to it. Me like the track, you dog.
Are you the baddest? Are you? Bet you can't even manage.
Moonwalk, slide. You never been on a glide.
Yo, you see the girl in that video? Wanna see the girls then? Shut the front door.
Oh, bro, give me the light. I just moonwalk, slide.
Slide.
Rain vibes. Niggas be thinking they tap my ex, that pussy that never was mine.
All I want a man out there where look woman. And I call the next man name. The pum pum is never mine. So on go and go joke if you don't want joke, it's never been mine. I was just renting it. I was just borrowing it. It was just my time. One time you and I left, go on. Take it, it's yours.
Moonwalk, slide.
Slide.
Up step, come outside. Can't wait to meet again. Say hello to my little friend.
Say hello to my little friend. That's from Scarface, right? Say hello to my little friend from Scarface.
Hi. Hello, greetings. I don't know where the man keeps speaking. I was outside trying to slap man's door. Left my phone at home and I thought I was cheating.
He was outside. So basically the party, he might tell you, say, yo, he was outside angling his business, but him left him phone home and him girl thinks that he was cheating. Man not cheat. The man doesn't want to bring evidence. Because you know, these nowadays smartphone, them track you everywhere you go. And if the police them really want to check it, them can see where you've been because them hit off of some mask and some tower sitting. We can't remember it name, but yeah, you know what I talk.
Countless shavings, numerous beatings. I'm in a O, posted with demons. Off the smoke, no chip. On the back road, and some cheating.
I'm in a O, posted with demons. Can someone explain that to me? I'm in a O, posted with demons. What is a demon? I think I've heard an ex-artist say something about demon before. I'm in a O, posted with demons. Can someone explain that one to me, please, guys? That would be good.
I snuff for the love, we still got guns. Kill out the mission ain't done. I didn't come in for fun. Mama didn't raise no bitch. And daddy don't know no snitch.
Mama didn't raise no bitch and daddy didn't know no snitch. So I'm tell you, my real one. He is for the streets, from the streets. Yo, I like the track, yeah. I like the track, yeah. Ready?
Do it like this. Move, slide. To the up step, come outside. Can't wait to meet again. Say hello to my little friend.
What you got them, brother? What you got them, brother? What you got them, my youth? Well, what you got them do?
Baby girl, come twerk for me then. Make the move the buck on them. Separate the boys from men. We separate the boys from men.
Yo, big up my man over there. Ray and them nephew. And I'm on the Ray and nephew run. Ray and nephew run. See it, yeah? See it, yeah? Ray and nephew. Ray and him nephew is a Jamaican.
Slide, hey. Rain vibes. Niggas be thinking they tap my ex, that pussy that never was mine. Moonwalk, slide.
Yo, the confident in a chip, brother. Every delivery. The confident in chip, dog. It amuses me, man. Chip a real dog.
You never been on a glide. In the back of the ride like shampoo. Told bro, give me the light.
Yo, I like that track, you know. It's a nice vibe to it where you can, even if you're sad and hear the track, yeah, it gonna make you bop your head and make you sing to it, and you know? Yeah, I like that track, yeah, man. Yo, once again, big up M1, you know. Big up M1 on the beat, you know. Big up M1, dog. You drop some fire. Hold on, OFB, let me see. That's an OFB. Hold on, I don't want that. That's Abra. Remember no OFB man, them another song, yeah? Oh, RV. Is RV a member of the OFB, right? So Eddie one there. Heady one. Yeah, Heady one, not Eddie. Heady. OFB. No way or no way. Yo, I'm glad to them and chip a link still. I'm glad to them and chip link like that. See the people. It's coming soon. Yeah, man, big up the whole OFB, man. You see me? And big up Chip. You see me? Backroad G. Big up. M1, big up. Now, yo, it's a nice party track. It's a nice vibe to it. Me like it. Me like it. Like, even though it's sad times with COVID and everything, you can still vibe to the one and party to the one. You understand? Yeah. Guys, if you like the reaction here, please leave a like. You don't know. Comment if you're... And let me know if I missed any important part. Also, big up on yourself, big up on all of the new subscribers. I'm soon every day, no man. Every day the channel is getting bigger and bigger, and I appreciate it from my heart. You guys are doing it for me. You understand? Follow me on my socials. Everything up, so you don't know the thing, go. So, peace.